Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is difference between constructor and methods. So today's date 17th November 2022. So we will start. So uh, we will start with our topic, that is difference between constructor and method. So firstly, main difference is that method have its own name, so it is like an identifier name. But when we talk about constructor, its name should be have some criteria, or we have it has some conditions to name the conditions, name the constructor. So first, that the name of constructor should be same as the name of class, and another part, that is it should not have any return type, because it didn't return anything. The only thing only thing we can write before our constructor, that is its access modifier, that is it can be public or private. Private comes in some scenario. In that scenario we call the class as singleton class. Talking about methods, method have two to three parts, that is which we declare our method as public, static, void, method name, inside a bracket, our parameters. So static can be replaced or it can be removed. It is depend on what type of method we want. If we want static method, means the method of a class which is directly accessed without an object, at that time we have to use static keyword before the method creation. But if we want the method should be different for every object, in that of scenario we should make the method as instance method. So public, it is an access modifier, as we know it is same as constructor. And the next part, that is return type. Return type may be void or any data type. So void means nothing. If we write our method as void, it means our method will return nothing. But if we write something like integer, string, etc., so we have to return something, or we have to return that value from our method. The next, that is method name. Method name follows some rules, that is it should be start with small letter, and after that every word should be start with capital letter. So after that, the parameters, methods may contain parameters or may not contain parameters. So it is an optional part. If we write we pass parameters, we can use it, or either we don't. If we don't pass, it doesn't matter. It depend on our requirement, or it depend on our we can say program, how which type of method we want to execute. So there is one more we can say concept between method and constructor. So if a method call itself repeatedly, we call it as recursion. Means a method calling itself repeatedly, but till a condition, like it will work as our looping statement. So without using loop, we can perform some looping statement using methods, that is called as recursion. Constructor has constructor chaining, means constructor inside a constructor, means suppose we have two or three constructor in our method, and first our default constructor will be executed. After that, using this keyword, our another constructor is executed. Inside that, using this keyword, another constructor is executed. So this is a chain of constructor. So it is a method constructor chaining. Another part, that is overloading and overriding. So when you talk about methods, methods support both overloading as well as overriding. Loading means same name but inside the same class, means a method name should be same of multiple methods, but it is differentiated through a parameters. Overriding means a method name should be same, or and the parameter should be same inside two classes. As means if the class is inheriting, the parent class method should name should be same as child class method, and the child class, we can say, override the method of parent class. The next, that is, if we say overloading and overriding is supported by constructor. So with this all, I like to stop here. Thank you.